Hey everybody, welcome to Kevin's Kitchen. We're going to do something, well, I can't say different because it's what everybody does every day. We are going to fly by the seat of our pants and see what we have in the fridge and just go with it. And serious, I had nothing planned today. I just decided let's just make some soup. And we start out with these Chinese noodles. Now, the way you make these, boil them first, get them nice and, cook them, get them ready to go. And then you cool them off. Strain all the water out of them, put them in some cold water, stop the cooking process, and then you set them aside. Then you start making your other stuff to go along with it, and you put the noodles in at the end. So we got that going. The noodles are in the pot, and they're starting to boil. The next thing we have going, where did they go? Here we go. Shiitake mushrooms. Okay, so these are dried black mushrooms. There is a process to these. You actually have to soak them for 30 minutes. Okay? Once they've been soaking for 30 minutes, you got to squeeze all the moisture out of them and everything. Then they're ready to be used to cook with. Now I'm going to grab a clove of garlic here and some chicken broth. Because we're going to make some kind of soup today. I'm not sure what, but I'm going to start putting some ingredients together and see where we go from there. Let's make it happen. Okay, so here's what we have today. We've got a piece of lean meat. We've got our shiitake mushrooms, baby spinach, a couple of pieces of the baby corn, clove of garlic, some bamboo shoots, and the rest of the corn and peas we had from our last recipe, and a little bit of sesame oil. So I guess I'm gonna get busy just chopping some stuff up and see where it goes from there. And yes, this is a beer, and it's in my coveted beer glasses that I got from my grandpa. May he rest in peace. Don't worry, it was a long time ago. He passed away. I'm good. But anyway, I'm gonna start cutting things up and see where we go from there. See you guys back in a minute. I'm just gonna wing it and see what we can make up. So we're gonna take some sesame oil, put a little bit in our wok, and get that heated up. See what you come up with. Go with some garlic. Crazy, huh? Not a single cooking glass. But I did eat a lot of horrible stuff that I made. To learn how to make stuff a little bit better. Let garlic in there, let's heat up with that. Okay. Ooh, they close that tight. Let's get the rest of the baby corn. Here we go. Okay, get our spinach, just cut up a little bit. I'm not eating a whole bunch of leaves. The rest of our bamboo shoots. Squeeze that water out of them. Okay, then we got our corn and peas here. Just leave it there for now. We'll get that ready to go. And this is just me, honestly, just got home from work maybe half hour ago, trying to think, what the heck am I going to have for dinner? And I figured I'd just give this a shot. So, take our meat here, and you can tell it is still frozen, so I didn't take it out and prep. I just took it out of the freezer. Just make some nice little slivers of steak here. And yes, you will have to have a sharp knife to be able to do this. And I don't mean a kind of sharp knife. I mean, it's got to be sharp. Almost shave with it sharp. Okay. Let's just take that little bits of fat off the sides there. And I honestly have no idea what I'm going to come up with. I'm just making this up as we go. These ingredients seem like they put something pretty good together. I'm going to give it a shot. The garlic smells pretty good by itself. How's it going right now? Okay. Our noodles. They are done. Turn that off. Just going to strain those out. And run some cold water on them. I know you guys can't see me, but I'm just running some cold water on some noodles. All right. Let that sit on there so I don't drain into that. Okay. Let's get our meat in there. Let's put some cubes here. Really cute little slabs. And remember, no stick. Don't put metal utensils in there. Crack that stuff up and do horrible things to it. Alright. Put this away. Shiitake mushrooms are still soaking up water. We'll get rid of this. Now, one of the things that you got to look at when you're doing stuff like this, cooking frozen meat, a little bit of a challenge. Because you can burn the outside and the inside still be cold. So you want to take your time, make sure you get it up to the proper temperature, and make sure it's cooked properly. And if I was scheduling this little cook shoot, I would have thawed this out last night, but here we are. This is a just got home, got to make something kind of healthy, kind of tasty, and yeah, that's the way it goes. Living single. Everything's a single serving. Okay, that's almost done. All right, so let's throw some bamboo shoots in there. Let's just throw everything in there. Get that all mixed up. And go with some peas and carrots. Just go crazy. Yeah. I'm going to heat that up. Echo, how much time left on the timer?
You have 5 minutes and 40 seconds left on your 30-minute timer.
5 minutes and 40 seconds. I put these in 25 minutes ago. So you deserve a juice. Not entirely sure if I want to do more of a noodle stir fry or if I want to do a soup. Either way, we can do it in the wok. Bring that up a little bit. All right, Echo, timer off.
30-minute timer canceled.
These are pretty soft. The shiitake mushrooms. You can squeeze all the water out of them. And yes, this is what it says to do. So if you're going to use shiitake mushroom, dried shiitake mushrooms, you got to prep a little bit. Okay. Take and cut these up. Then mixed in there, get it all heated up. Let that heat for a minute. All right, let's see what we got. Some noodles in there. Get all mixed up, mixed around. Do, do, do. You know what? Let's go ahead and do it. Some chicken broth. Simmer that thing up. Reduce it a little bit. And a touch more of our sesame oil. A little salt, a little pepper, and what else we got in here? A little oregano, and I know I should be using fresh oregano, but I haven't gotten it yet. All right, put this mix in. This looks like a nice ramen. It looks like we made some last minute ramen. You guys want to come over here and take a look and see what I got going? Come on. All right, there we go. Last minute ramen. How's that look? Just a little taste here. Oh, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Just simmer that for a few minutes. I'm going to serve it up. Okay, so it's about ready to go. And you know, this was not a scheduled cook day for me to videotape and send it out to you guys, but I want to thank my friend Andrea. She said said I should be doing something today. Also told me I should be making a cookbook. Thinking about it. What do you guys think? Drop me a line. Let me know what you think. And I am going to enjoy my dinner. You guys have a good night. Bye. Did you guys really think I was going to say bye without letting you see the finished product? And doesn't that look good? Now, I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner. You guys have a good evening.